Okay, today we're going to do corrections for the binomial theorem test. Okay, question 1 is quite simple, but let's get started anyway. Question 1, part 1. Expand this. You should be experts at this by now. Okay, they tell us that they want the first three terms. Okay, so the first term is simply 2 to the power of 6 plus 6 choose 1, 2 to the power of 5, negative 3x to the power of 1 plus 6 choose 2, 2 to the power of 4 plus times negative 3x to the power of 2 plus dot. Okay, simple enough. Then if I quickly simplify everything, I get 64 minus 576x plus 2160x squared plus dot. So now they want us in part 2 to find the coefficient of x squared. So what I write now is 2 minus 3x to the power of 6 multiply to x minus 4, which is actually 64, times x minus 4. Okay, the terms that can give me x squared will be down here. This can give me a term in x squared, and this can give me a term in x squared as well. So I will say that my coefficient of x squared is simply equals to minus 576 multiplied to 1, because the coefficient of x here is 1, plus 2160 multiplied to negative 4. And if all is computed well, you should get negative 9216. Notice I didn't write x squared because they want the coefficient of x squared. So just work with the numbers before x squared. Now, question 2. Alright, they say in the expansion where blah blah blah, the second term and the third term have coefficients in the ratio 1 to 20. Find n. Okay, so first and foremost, question 2, I have 1 over x plus 5x squared to the power of n. Then I have my first term, it's like this, plus my second term. My second term will be n choose 1 over x, n minus 1, then times 5x squared to the power of 1, plus n choose 2, 1 over x to the power of n minus 2, 5x squared to the power of 2 plus dot. The ratio of the second term to the third term is 1:20. But let me just simplify everything a bit for you first. So n choose 1 is n times 1 over 1 to the power of n minus 1 is still 1. So I have 1 over x to the power of n minus 1 times 5x squared plus n choose 2, which is n times n minus 1 over 2 times 1. Okay, here we get 25x to the power of 4 plus dot. Okay, ratio of the second term to third term is equals to 1 over 20. But they say that they want the coefficient only. Okay, so they say coefficient of second term. What gives me coefficient? This is term in x, this is term in x. So second term, okay, the coefficient is actually 5n. So I write there coefficient of second term over coefficient of third term. So what I get is 5n. Only these two will give me a coefficient, okay, divided by this one, 25 times n minus 1 over 2, like that. That's the coefficient of my second term, and this is the 25 times this will give me the coefficient of the third term, which is equals to 1 over 20. Okay, then what we do here is we multiply, okay, both sides. Alright, what happens here, to solve this, first I simplify this part here. To simplify this part, 25 divided by this, 25n divided by this whole thing gives me 10n over 25n times n minus 1 is equals to 1 over 20, like this. Then you solve, you get 200n is equals to 25n squared minus 25n. You divide throughout by 25, what you get is 8n equals to n squared minus n. You simplify further, n squared minus 9n is equals to 0. Then n minus 9 equals to 0, n equals to 0 or n equals to 9. And you are done with question 2.